Hey everyone, this is William Eric Burton. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching our videos. The ultimate trading course that I put together because I am a professional Forex trader. I say professional because I've been doing it for about 4 years now, and I'm professionally earning income extracting from that market. So that makes me a professional, and get the course that reveals Forex trade secrets, stop losing trades, and gain more profits faster. Start your income machine here. And we even have a 45-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so the Ultimate Trading Course, this is our ultimatetradingcourse.com home page and blog. You'll see that I put information on here every single day in a blog, giving you some information about my trading day, and there'll possibly be a video with those articles as well. You can click on this link in this description right here and get on our email list and go right to the course process and see if you're interested in getting involved in the Ultimate Trading Course. We also have our blogs here. Once you enter into one of those blog posts, you will see a sign-up page here for your email address. Once you enter that email address, it will send you my blog entries on a daily basis just to get information on that. And you can see we have a video in this blog post with the actual connection to the Ultimate Trading Course itself. So I want you to watch a small, short little video right after this. It shows a trade that I made, and you'll see how quickly it's made, and you'll see what you'll be looking forward to in the Ultimate Trading Course. Let's go ahead and take it down. Okay, and we had to get in there fairly quick, even though it may reverse on us, or it could go through. Let's see if it does. Let me hold off and see if it can go through for us, okay? We're in a trade now. The wick has gotten down there, but remember, we have a little bit of spread there, so the spread's got to get through. And let's see if that can take automatically. There, it went right through. It went through automatically. That's also the way that you can do it. Okay, you can do it that way as well. I said it fairly quickly. I think it was around $8.75. We'll check here in a minute. Let's go ahead and check now. Yeah, $8.75. So we're up to $24.60 with 16 minutes in. So I think we're doing fine. This is William Eric Burton. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you sign up for the Ultimate Trading Course today.